Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got another radio from Jeff Collection. This is the one I've been trying to get to. This is the last one in the group he gave me this time. He usually brings about 12 to 15 each time he comes. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these so that I can show them to you. And here we go. This is a Juliette solid state 12 transistor AM pocket radio. He got this off of eBay for $30. He's thinking that it's like 1966, 1968 vintage. And he says it works good, but the sound is a little tinny, and we'll show you right now. Even the box is in perfect condition. And granted, this is like 1966, 1968. There's the owner's manual. It's a one-pager. Here's all the information on the back. AM only. Okay, I'll put that there. Here is the case. It's like it had never been used. Oh my gosh. Uses a 12-volt battery, which I just put in. And the radio itself is in mint condition. It has no scratches, no marks, nothing. Let's wonder if it even had been used. Now, the one thing that I struggle with is the switches or the dials. They're recessed. So you got to put your finger like there and like there. So I can turn it on. You got to be very careful about playing anything that's going to get me in trouble.
Even just being on the water in an area for so long, you don't really realize any of these things until you ask.
This takes two. 11 goal. A macro goal is 4. Hello. Hey, brother. I just wanted to talk to you. Long-time listener.
Like I say, it's kind of hard to tune. Never seen anything like this as far as where the knobs are.
You know, everybody's got a big point as a good point, and sometimes
Lots right in.
Side of the conversation.
But it is very difficult to tune because these are they're really recessed. It has a 9-volt input jack, earphone jack, and that's about it. We can turn it off and open this up very carefully. Maybe I can't. It's pretty hard to open. Yeah, I don't want to force it. They just show you a bunch of transistors and diodes and stuff. But this is really nice. Great collector's radio. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. And maybe in a few weeks he'll bring me another batch. I can see, I think he brings like 12 to 15 each time. And I think his collection is getting close to mine. I think he's getting about 400 radios. He's lost track like I have. Oh, look what I found. I found Mr. Finger. I'll bring him back into the show. That'll be nice. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Oh, I don't want to put that back in there because I got to take the battery out before I store it. It's one thing important to do on these radios is if you're not going to use it for a while, say, I'm not going to use it for 4 or 5 weeks, take the batteries out. Batteries nowadays are notorious for leaking. And one of the worst leakers, and I don't think I have one here or not. Yeah. What I found recently, these are one of the worst, if I could ever get it to focus. Oh well. There we go. Duracell. I used to use Duracell all the time, but I've had several radios damaged because I left the batteries in there not a long time, maybe 4 or 5 weeks, and the batteries have leaked terrible. So try to remember to take your batteries out when you're not using the radio for an extensive period of time. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.